Welcome everyone to this second video of the series. We're going to see the pros and cons of CSS grids and why you should care about learning them. So the first and the main point is it's actually one of the best way to do static and dynamic layouts. It's also super easy to get into media queries or responsive designs. So if you want to support mobile and desktop or tablets and stuff, it's really convenient and straightforward. And also it helps you keep your HTML semantics. So you don't need to have containers of a site structure and stuff. You can do everything on the CSS side. It's also one of the best way if you want to keep your layout easy to refactor. So if you want to change in 6 months, you will just change a few properties in your CSS and everything will work. You won't have to change anything in your HTML. So it's very, very convenient and very flexible. But there are two cons for CSS grids. The first one is it's really not suited for stuff that can't be rendered on a grid. So if you have tags that needs to have variable width, for instance, and that spreads on multiple lines, it's not going to be a great candidate for CSS grids. And also if you want to have areas or sectors that are not rectangles. So there are ways you can bypass this, but it's very not convenient and it's not designed to be used for stuff that are not really rectangles. So in the next video, we are going to see how you can create your first grid and see how easy it is. All right, see you then. Cheers.